Can we set live wallpaper on Android from Pinterest? Hello everybody. If you guys are also wondering, in today's video we will be finding out if it is possible or not. So let's just get started. For that, head over and open up the Pinterest application and head over to the video that you would like to set as a live wallpaper. For example, let's say this is the video that we would like to set. So once you head over to the video, you will be finding the video being available here. If you go ahead and look out for the different options, we do not find the option to set it as live wallpaper. So if you're trying to basically set up a video as a live wallpaper, the only way possible is downloading the video that you would like from Pinterest. You can use any other application to download the video. You can tap on the share button here and basically go ahead and download it, or you can copy the link and save the particular video and download it on your device. And once it is downloaded, you can basically save it as a live wallpaper using your device's built-in feature or any other application that allows us to set live wallpaper on Android from Pinterest. And that is only the way possible if you would like to do so. So that is it. I hope this information was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.